So today I'm going to show you how to make this turnip kimchi. First, you want to get a turnip. I peeled it, and then we're going to cut into thick rounds, like that. Then each piece we're going to cut into 3, like that. So the key is just try to get an even size. So you can cut the 3 again. So next step, we're going to put salt on it. Let marinate for about, a couple hours. You'll see a lot of water come out. Then we're going to drain it. And if you put too much salt, you can rinse it. So after 2 hours, we drain off the excess water. You see this is pretty dry now. So now we're going to cook the rice flour. Add some water. So then we're going to stir very well. So add a little bit more. It's about 1/4 cup. So I used the 1.5 tablespoon and with a 1/4 cup water. You want to make sure the rice flour there's no lump. So now we're going to turn on the heat. We'll cook for a few minutes until you'll see the rice flour getting a little bit gluey like. So we need to stir constantly. So you can see this is like glue. This is it's done. So we're going to add fish sauce. We can add our spicy noodle sauce. Mix very well. So now we're going to put them together. Okay. So this is the turnip. We already marinated with salt. If you like a little bit sweet, you can add a little bit of sugar too. So that's the mix. Then if you like green onions, you add some green onions to the turnip. Give some colors too. Put it in. And I'm wearing a glove, so I'm going to mix with by hand. So you want to make sure it's all coated. Now mix it all very well. In fact, normally you put in a jar and let it marinate for a day or 2. That will taste even better. So for now, I'm just going to place in this plate for you to look at it.
You can find Ying's Kitchen sauces with recipes right on the bottle at many local grocery stores. Go to Ying's Kitchen.